Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mehdi Hassan. Today I'm going to show my e-portfolio which I already made for TIS subject. So I'm already in my.utm.my. From here I can go my e-portfolio. Just click on it, and we have to wait for loading. Yes, it's loading. Then if you see on the right side, I have my name here. So I just click on that. Okay, now it's already loaded, and you can see my portfolio. There are almost 10 portions, so I will explain one by one. So as I mentioned before, my name is MD Mehdi Hassan. I'm from Bangladesh and I'm 22 years old. In the first portion, here is about me. In this portion, I write my name, my faculty. My faculty is Japan Malaysia International Institute of Technology, which is MJIIT, and my metric number, email ID, UTM official email ID, and this is my home address. And if you see bottom, I link my Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well. If you click here, you will directly move to my account, Facebook account. Let's get back. Okay, so this is about the first question, and second question is on my gallery. Here I upload my some picture with my friends, and those are my college friend. And if you see extreme right side, so you can see my educational background. Currently I'm doing my software engineering bachelor in University Technology Malaysia, UTM, and I start this program on 2020. And my secondary school, that's mean HSC, I do in my country. My college name was Major General Muhammadul Hassan Adarsha College, which is in my hometown, and the duration was 2015 to 2017. And I did my secondary school, which is SSC, and I did this in my hometown too. The duration was 2010 to 2015, and this is my primary school name, and this is the duration of study, and this is my birth date. So if I see on the left again, extreme left, here is my hobby. My hobbies is fishing, programming, traveling, and listening music, driving and swimming as well. On the right side, again, if you see in the right side, here there are my subject which I already take in semester 1, like technology, information system, programming technique 1, discrete structure, digital logic, philosophy and current issue graduate, and success attribute, science and technology thinking. Those are my subject which I already take in semester 1. If I see bottom, here have on the extreme left again, here I have my cover letter. I already write my cover letter, so if someone interested to read this one, they can. And if I move to again extreme right, here I already did some blog as well. If I say, okay, for example, let's take this one, my first experience in UTM campus. So I just click on that. Here is my first experience in UTM campus. So I did this blog on my foundation, so I just add it. If you want, if you interested, you can see there are more blog what my favorite books and my COVID-19 and about business and different types of software. That's I already did in my foundation, so I just add it. If you see in the bottom, I have my skills. I have write my skills like Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, HTML, C programming, C++, Python, Photoshop, and video editing as well. And the main part is my portfolio. Here I already add my all the subjects which I take in semester 1. So let's look at this portion. So if I suppose if I want to see my portfolio on this structure, so I just click it. That's it. Okay, here are my all the assignment which I already upload. So for download this assignment, just click on that and you see the download button. This assignment is PDF format, so you can download it from here. So let's wait for download. See, here is the download option already came, so I don't want to download it because I already have in my PC. So let's get back. Okay, these are my this is my reflection about this subject, I mean discrete structure. Let's go back. Next we can go for programming technique 1. These are the same. This is my assignment and all labs. The process is same. For download, just click here and you will be able to download from here. And this is my reflection for PT1 subject, I mean programming technique 1. So let's move on to the next one. And this is technology and information system, which is TIS. Let's look at this. So here I have upload my assignment, and this is my video in design thinking. You can play this video directly from here, don't need to go to YouTube. The YouTube is already linked here. So this is my reflection in TIS, you can read it. And for this assignment, the process is same like download option. So let's get back. And if you see the philosophy and current issue, also like the same here, we have upload our group assignment, and these are the PDF assignment, and these are the video project, and these are the reflection. And if you see digital logic, for digital logic right now we don't have any kind of video, so here are the reflection, and that is our lab. And let's see the rest one. This is science and technology thinking. Here the assignment, and this is my reflection, and this is the video, the group video I already post here, so you can watch it. And the last one is, I think, graduate success attribute. Yeah, so let's go into this. Here is my video CV, here is my reflection about this subject, and here is my assignment. Here have two kind of assignment. One is group assignment and one is my individual assignment. So both are here, so you can watch it and you can comment as well. And if you have any kind of suggestions, so you can attach your file here. And if I go back, so mainly this is my portfolios for this section, this portion. And if you see here is my friend. So right now I have only 3 friends. Inshallah in future I will get more. And here have my some favorite lines. You can read it and it's really helpful for you for your life. And here is my wall. You can write anything and you can post anything in my wall. To show my wall, just click on view wall. Currently my wall is empty because no one is post here yet. So that is my e-portfolio explanation. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.